Good morning, everyone. I hope you all have had a good night's sleep. Now, we all say that phrase so casually, but have you ever stopped to wonder what it actually means to get a good night's sleep? What is your brain really doing while you're resting? From the outside, it looks like nothing is happening, but in reality, your body and mind are hard at work going through an incredibly active and organized process. Today, I want to take you through what happens when you sleep. Let's walk through what's happening when you're asleep, focusing on things like your circadian rhythm, your brain waves, and the different stages of sleep. To start, one of the biggest influences on sleep is your circadian rhythm. This is your body's internal 24-hour clock, driven by a group of neurons in the brain called the suprachiasmatic nucleus, located in the hypothalamus. The circadian rhythm tells your body when it's time to be alert and when it's time to rest, and it is strongly influenced by light. When it gets dark, your brain signals a pineal gland to release melatonin, a hormone that makes you feel sleepy. In the morning, when light enters your eyes, melatonin production drops, and cortisol levels rise to help wake you up. So before you even close your eyes at night, your brain is already setting the stage for sleep, regulating temperature, hormone levels, and alertness. Now, once you're asleep, your brain cycles through two main types of sleep, non-REM sleep and REM sleep. These two stages alternate in roughly 90-minute cycles through the night. Non-REM sleep itself has three stages. The first is very light sleep. It only lasts a few minutes. Your brain activity begins to slow down, your muscles relax, and sometimes you may experience sudden muscle twitches, called hypnic jerks. The second stage is a deeper stage of light sleep, and it makes up about half of the total sleep you get. Brain waves slow further, but there are bursts of activity called sleep spindles and K complexes, which seem to play a role in memory consolidation and protecting your brain from waking up too easily. The third stage is deep sleep, sometimes called slow wave sleep because of the large, slow brain waves that appear. This is the most restorative stage. During this time, your brain and body repair themselves, tissues grow, the immune system strengthens, and growth hormone is released. It is much harder to wake someone from this stage. After these stages, you enter REM sleep, short for rapid eye movement sleep. During REM sleep, brain activity looks surprisingly similar to wakefulness. This is when your brain is especially active in consolidating information, strengthening neural connections, and pruning away unnecessary ones. Your heart rate and breathing become irregular, and your body actually paralyzes most muscles temporarily, preventing you from acting out movements. So, what exactly is happening in the brain during these cycles? While you sleep, your brain's waste clearance system, called the glymphatic system, becomes more active. It flushes out toxins and metabolic waste, including beta amyloid, which is associated with Alzheimer's disease. Sleep is also when your brain strengthens important connections formed during the day while trimming away weaker or unnecessary ones. It is a bit like reorganizing a messy desk, keeping what's useful and clearing away clutter. Brain cells shrink slightly during deep sleep, which allows more space for cerebrospinal fluid to flow and clean out byproduct of brain activity. This helps keep the brain sharp for the next day. All of this activity is essential. Without enough sleep, your circadian rhythm becomes disrupted, memory suffers, reaction time slow, and your immune system weakens. Prolonged sleep deprivation has been linked to higher risks of diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and even some neurological conditions. So while you may think of sleep as doing nothing, your body and brain are working incredibly hard to reset, repair, and prepare you for the next day. In conclusion, when you close your eyes at night, your brain isn't shutting off, it's switching modes. Guided by your circadian rhythm, it cycles through stages of non-REM and REM sleep, carrying out crucial functions like flushing toxins, consolidating memories, and repairing the body. Sleep isn't wasted time. It's an active biological process that's vital for health, learning, and performance. So the next time you wake up from a good night's rest, remember, you may not have been conscious, but your brain was hard at work the entire time. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more. And thank you for watching.